Here I have Sony Xperia 1 Mark III, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding only volume down. In the following menu, you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select the third option, enter Fastboot, and that's how you can enter this mode. In this mode, you can restart your device. You have such options as reboot system now, enter recovery, reboot to bootloader, and power off. So if you want to quit this mode, select power off to turn off your device, or select reboot system now to restart it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.